January 20th, 2018 commentary on the price of Bitcoin. I haven't done a Bitcoin video in a while, but I was just recently recognized as one of the top 100 trading videos on YouTube. And so ranking number 79 out of 100 channels I thought was pretty awesome. And so I put the little logo on the front of the website and thought I would make a new video about the price of Bitcoin now. So if we take this and take a look at the longer term view of Bitcoin prices here, I'm looking at the Coinage price charts, and we're looking at the 1 year view of Bitcoin. Prices have moved considerably from the about $1,000 to the 12,000 odd that they are now. When I look at the 3-month view, we can see that the exponential moving averages over a 60 period and a 20 period settings have crossed over at the break of this head and shoulders top formation, which is very significant. And now that prices have come up to the bottom side of this support and resistance, it's a really key time. And at this chart view, it's not giving me the idea that it's the moment to buy Bitcoin. When I continue to zoom in a little bit though, we see the 1 month view. We can see this exponential moving crossover occurred here before the break occurred, where the crossover occurred in the 3-month view was a little bit later than the 1 month view. When we zoom into the 1 week view, we can see where we hit a recent bottom. And this is pretty interesting. When we zoom into the 3-day view, we can see what's been going on the last few days. But if I move this chart back to where we hit that bottom just a few days ago, we can see a pretty significant change or difference here, where we've got the prices going lower, but we've got this MACD oscillator indicator showing a divergence at this moment. And right at this moment was a good time to buy Bitcoin. And I put that into my trading journal on Digital Currency Trader's website. But now that the prices have come to where they are, I'm not sure that it's a time to be buying it, if it's going to break higher or if it's going to retrace a bit from here. And yet another view I have of the price of Bitcoin is that it is still within the parabolic move to the upside. In spite of the negative news we've heard over the last little while, I think that Bitcoin is going to continue in this parabolic move up. And I'll be proven wrong when it doesn't continue on following this kind of curve over the next while. So it may be March, April, May, June before the prices continue and burst higher than the old highs, and a whole bunch of fear and uncertainty and doubt this whole time as prices are going up. In order to see that and verify it, this is going to have to change down here. We're going to have to see this oscillator changing so that it's showing that there's strength coming in. And there may be a little bit of that already coming right here, where we're seeing this rise and this momentum change at this time. So this could be the pullback we've all been looking for. And if we do a standard Fibonacci retracement, we can see that the prices came down nicely to the 50% level. This is pretty common in an uptrend for the prices to peak, come down to the 50% level, move around a bit, consolidate, and then continue on the uptrend. And this is what I'm anticipating, although I would be ready for prices to continue going down after this big pump. So I have to be ready either way for prices. And thanks again for tuning in for another one of my Bitcoin opinion videos. Please subscribe and leave your comments below.